Hey, to measure heart rate on the Redmi Watch 4, all you have to do is just to put your watch on the wrist, and after this you will have to actually click on this button to go into the apps, then click on it one more time, and you will have to scroll down until you find the heart rate. Now when you click on it, you can actually find your current heart rate and just wait until you get the new updates. So as you can see, in my case it's around 83, 84, and now it is actually dropping to the 79, and that's how it works. From this you can actually find the HR zone. Okay, we actually didn't have to scroll down, I mean click on it, just scroll down, and we've got actually some zones. So with the red one we got the VO2 max, the zero, the aerobic is actually on the orange, yellow is actually on the aerobic is actually on the yellow, intensive it's actually green, and the light is on the blue. And if you don't know what it actually means, you can just click on this information icon, and here you can actually find some base description. So that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.